So as a new user, you can see a set of guided instructions which gives you a glimpse of all the features in our application. So either you could skip through all of this or you could just view all of these features. So all of these guided instructions then brings you to the login page. So either as a user you could log in or you could choose to not log in and then see all the features. The difference between a logged in user and the difference between users that have logged in compared to those who haven't is that you can customize your profile picture, and also you can get recommendations of place to go to based on your free time slots if you choose to import your calendar in the application. So let's log in to the application with Facebook. And now the first thing that you can see is a heat map that lets you see all the populated places in Qatar, including events. So if I want to view one of these populated places in Qatar, I can automatically see a live video, and I can also see the number of people currently in this place. So this is very useful for me if I choose to go to a place that is either crowded or not crowded. And having a live video increases the accuracy of the application. Now, I can go back to the home page, and then if I want to view all the deals in Qatar, then I can go through this page, through this icon, and this page talks about all the deals happening in Qatar right now. So let's go back to the home page again, and now let's search for a place by an image. So this is very useful when you find an image online and you don't know much information about it. So you can choose, you can either take a picture or you could choose from your gallery. So let's choose this picture from the gallery, and that's it. It turns out to be Qatar Cultural Village, and you can also then see the whole 360-degree view of Qatar through this place, through this. So if we go back, we can then go back to the home page, and let's go back to the profile. So this gives a customized version of my profile. Because I've logged into Facebook, it has access to all my information from Facebook. So I could choose to add a review, add photos, or give my comments on places. Now, SpotOn also lets you import your calendar into the application so that it can start giving recommendations based on your free time slots. So if you choose to import your Google Calendar into the app, it starts giving recommendations of places to go to. And then we have live videos. You can choose to see any of the live videos that's happening right now, or you can either bookmark your favorite places and view their live videos for your closing. That's why I see a live video a live video in the and that's it.